Today we're gonna learn about the verb estar to talk about distance and location. So far we know that estar is used for what? Forming the present progressive, so estoy caminando. Or to talk about relative location of something. Está encima de la mesa. Está debajo de la silla. Estar is also used for talking about the location of a place or person and distances. And that's what we're gonna learn today. The verb estar, as you already know, yo estoy, tú estás, él, ella, elle, usted está, nosotros estamos, vosotras estáis, ellas, ustedes están. And then don't forget the accents. Always remember the accents. And now we're gonna learn how to use estar with location. This is the first case. We use estar to say where something or someone is located. For example, mi casa está en la avenida 5. My house is on 5th Avenue. And you will notice here that estar is translated in English as to be, similar to the verb ser. In Spanish, there are two totally different verbs with two different functionalities. So today we're talking about estar to talk about location. Another example, ellas están en el gimnasio. They are at the gym. So when we're saying where are people, where is this place, we use está. And then another example, estamos en Minneapolis. Or hoy estamos en Minneapolis. We are in Minneapolis, we are in this location. Estar plus location. We use estar to talk about relative and fixed distance. So, for example, to say how close or far away things are, we use estar más cerca de or lejos de. So, estar plus cerca de, close, far away, lejos de. And I'm going to give you two examples. Let's imagine that this is the university campus. El Museo de Historia está cerca de la biblioteca. The museum and the library are close together, so está cerca de. Mi apartamento está lejos del campus. And here we have de más el, so del. And then the other option, to talk about distance between two places, we use estar plus a plus number plus de. And for number we mean like 10 kilometers or 100 feet or 3 miles, whatever. And I'm going to give you an example. Des Moines está a 193 millas de Kansas City. So you can say estar, you conjugate it, a, distance in number, de, and then the other place. Ojo, there is one exception to this rule. To say where events take place, we use ser instead of estar. So the game is taking place at the stadium. El partido es en el estadio. And it's some sort of an exception, so just remember it. Adios.